Welcome to Couch Potato Yoga. That's right, Couch Potato Yoga. Aren't you glad that somebody thought of it? I thought of it because I'm a couch potato, and it takes a couch potato to teach a couch potato. I'm the yoga nurse, you're the couch potato. Let's get going. All right, so first of all, posture. Let's lengthen up out of the waist, lift up, rock on your sitting bones. Those are the bones that you sit on, you see? And you lengthen. It's all about making your spine longer. And then your chin and your neck, often the neck and the head comes out like this. You know what I mean? And then you look like this old stooped over, and then you have this old back pain. So what you want to do is think military style. I live in military territory down here, Cap Lejeune and Cherry Point, and we bring the chin back, military, all lined up. And then you have this alignment, and you breathe. You reach up out of the crown of your head. So first is posture, and then there's breathing. These are all the checkpoints. You're checking in with yourself. You're getting a clear head. You're emptying the trash up here. You know, like the Peaceful Warrior? Just saw that movie last night. Awesome. See it. Breathe. And because we're in the South, well, you know, we say, Namaste, y'all.